Weep, O Madina, let your palms bend low. The moon that lit your alleys dims its glow. He walked among your graves in darkened air. Then fever took the one beyond compare. Weep, O Madina, weep and weep again. The one who bore our burdens bears his pain. Between two arms they brought him through the door. His blessed feet now dragging on the floor. Those feet that stood in tahajjud till they swelled, now barely moved, and every watching eye was filled. His head still wrapped his face, still full of grace. No fever born of earth could touch that face. Weep, O Madina, weep and weep again. The one who bore our burdens bears his pain. They poured 7 skins of water over him, the wells of Madina weeping to the brim. And still he rose, one final time upon the pulpit last sublime. Do not make my grave a place of bow and pray. Come take your rights from me before I go away. The Fajr prayer rose. Abu Bakr led the rose. And then the curtain moved. The curtain moved. He lifted it, and Anas saw his face, lit like a page of Quran's holy grace. Radiant, smiling, smiling through the veil, a smile that made the Sahaba's tears prevail. He gestured, stay in row, stay, pray, behold. Then let the curtain fall upon his soul. Last look at those he loved, that final gaze. Oh, that last smile, that last, that last, that last. It burns in every heart and holds us fast. He smiled to see us praying even then. He smiled, he smiled, he smiled, amen. Her lap received his head as morning came, his lips still moving, whispering his name. And 3 times soft like light that leaves a room. Ar-Rafiq al-Ala, Ar-Rafiq al-Ala, Ar-Rafiq al-Ala. Weep, O Ummah, scattered east and west, who never saw his face, yet love him best. He came with nothing but the truth for us. He lit in every human heart a spark. Peace be upon you, Ya Rasulallah. You are you, are up.